So if you write really lowball offers, that's okay because you're taking action. Hey everyone, Justin Cooper with Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. If you like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. I get asked all the time, Justin, if you were just getting started investing in real estate today, what would you do? How would you approach it? So what I've been thinking about is there's 5 main steps I would take if I was starting all over again to invest in real estate. The first thing I would do is to go out and educate myself. Now, there's lots of courses out there. There's gurus you could sign up with. All of that stuff can be great, but it all costs money, which isn't bad. But there's also a lot of free resources. There's a lot of RIAs, Real Estate Investor Associations. There's a lot of meetup groups you could go to. There's also this beautiful thing called YouTube, especially Pine Financial Group's YouTube channel. It can be a great source of information and education regarding investing in real estate. So step 1, go out and educate yourself. Learn more about it. There's so many different ways to invest in real estate. So go out and figure out who you are, what you want to do, why you want to get into real estate investing, and start educating yourself. How can you use real estate to get you from where you are today to where you want to go? The second thing I would do is to start lining up financing. Start talking to lenders. Now, I know a lot of folks may say, you don't have to do that. It's too early in the process. And of course, I am a lender, so maybe there's some self-promotion there. But by lining up financing, what you're going to do is you're going to narrow down what you can invest in. By understanding the financing, you're going to understand how to structure deals better. And by lining up your financing, you can get pre-approved, which will allow you to make stronger offers, but it's also going to tell you how much you're pre-approved for. So if you've been thinking, I want to invest in these neighborhoods, I want to go to that part of the town, but after you get pre-approved, you realize you can't afford that part of town. That's one of the reasons you want to get pre-approved and talk to financing and lenders sooner than later to make sure you're looking and going to focus your investing in the right parts of town. So once you've started educating yourself, you know the direction you want to take your investing, you've gotten your financing lined up, now I would go out and tell everyone what I'm hoping to do. I want to talk to everyone at these RIA meetings. I want to talk to everyone in line at Starbucks. I want to talk to all my friends and family and just get the word out that this is who I am now and what I'm going to try and do. Because the more people we talk to, the more likely we are to find more referral sources. We're going to find leads, people who need to sell their property or somebody who knows somebody that may need to sell their property. We're going to get all of that information and more people will be thinking, I need to sell my house. I need to talk to Justin. Now you're going to meet with a lot of naysayers. A lot of people say that today's not a good time to invest. And they'll say that at any time. It doesn't matter what the market's doing. They'll say it's not a good time to invest. They'll say, Justin, you're not going to be successful. Justin, you're going to lose money. And that's fine. There is a chance that all of that could happen. But by getting out there and just telling more people, so long as I get comfortable with the rejection from my friends and family, I'll be more comfortable getting rejected from sellers when I'm trying to buy their house. The fourth thing I would do is start seeing properties. I would go to see every open house that's out there. I want to see what the pretty properties are that are selling. What do those properties look like? What are the price points they're being sold for? If they were fix and flips, what is the paint colors? What do the cabinets look like? I want to understand what the interior of those properties look like. If there's ugly or distressed properties that are for sale, I want to go see those too. What do the before houses look like, right? So I can see the after and the before. I can then start building scopes of work, understanding what kind of repair budgets I'm going to need to put together. If I'm going to be doing fix and flips, I'm going to be managing that process. So I need to know what goes into that. If I'm going to own rental properties, what do the nice properties look like? What are tenants going to pay the most for? I want to understand that. If I'm going to wholesale the property, I need to be telling my investors who are going to buy the contracts from me what I think the properties need and how that's going to work. So the more experience I have getting into properties, both good and bad, the more likely I am to just get more experience, see more properties, be more comfortable moving quickly and making offers. And the fifth thing I would do is start making offers. It doesn't matter if they're high, if they're low, you just want to start making offers. If you're nervous about it, you want to cover yourself and be a little safer. So start off maybe making lowball offers. You know that there's no way they'll accept 50 cents on the dollar, but if that's what it takes to make your first offer, then do that. Because there's no better way to understand the buying process than to actually get out there and start trying to buy properties. Nobody's going to tell you how to read through the 17 pages of the standard real estate contract. The only way you're going to get that experience is by filling out the 17-page contract. Read every line, understand what goes into it, and start making those offers. It's okay to get rejected, and it's easy if you do it on your own terms. So if you write really lowball offers, that's okay because you're taking action. The more offers you make, the more comfortable you'll get, the more properties you're seeing, the more likely the next one is actually going to hit and be a good deal. So again, if I was starting off investing in real estate, those are the 5 things I would do. I would start by educating myself. I would get my financing lined up. I would start telling everybody about what I'm going to do. I would start looking at properties, and I would start making offers. I hope that added some value today. And if there's anything else we can do for you, please go to our website and check us out at pinefinancialgroup.com.